Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for checking out this video today. As you can see, I'm going to talk about P2P Profit, okay? It's an exceptional program. Not a lot of people know about it yet, but that's not going to be too much longer that not many people know about this program. It is a wonderful program if you have a desire to make money online, to make money from home, okay? If you need some extra money, then this is a program that you should know about, okay? So I've got something exciting that I really want to share with you, so stay with me for the next few moments, okay? Okay, one of the first things I'd like you to do, if you would, is to take a look at these couple of statements here. Very, very powerful. Finally, a system designed for you to make some great money, okay? Get 100% commissions with training that really does work, okay? Now, as I said before, a lot of people don't know about this program yet, but this program is exceptional. It is one of the programs that I will be marketing in 2020 and beyond. And this is something that you need to know about as well. Okay? Okay, you need extra money. Then let me show you where you can get some. Okay? Now, there's an old adage that says, and let me see if I can get it right, that if you give a person a fish, you'll feed them for a day. But if you teach them how to fish, you'll feed them for a lifetime. And that's what I look about as I think about this program, okay? So, we're not going to give you money, but we're going to show you how you can make money, and you're going to receive multiple payments over and over again once you get going and learn this very simple, easy program, okay? You can become the CEO of your own life and your business. Now, if you'll draw your attention here for me, you'll need at least, now here it is, you'll need at least 15 to 20 minutes per day to do, some simple, easy, workable tasks, okay? And this is an instant pay, direct pay, daily pay program. In other words, peer-to-peer program, money comes direct to you. And you can receive the money how you want to receive it, through PayPal or Google Pay or Cash App, okay? You can receive a money order however you want to do it. That's how you do it, okay? Now, P2P Profit is an exceptional peer-to-peer payment program, okay? It is a great educational platform where you can learn up-to-date training on what it takes to start your online business. Now, here's another very important point I want to make, and this is this. The education that you receive with the P2P Profit program is worth the price of admission. What do I mean? I mean this simply, that the training in this program is exceptional. If you don't do anything else but maybe just get the training, okay, then it will be well worth the price that you spend, okay? And I guarantee you that one right there, all right? So this is how powerful this program is. Now, there are 5 levels that you can come in at, okay, in this program, okay? 5 levels, okay? But you can come in at level 1. And I say come in where you're comfortable. Get in where you fit in, okay? And then you can always level up if you desire to do that. All right. Now, if you look here for me, it says level 1 is $35 one time. Okay. And you'll be able to earn with that level, you'll be able to earn multiple $25 payments over and over again. Okay. And then you can build yourself up to where you are earning at least $25 per day. Now, that doesn't sound like a whole lot, but guess what? That's $750 per month. See, what could you do with an extra $700, $600, $500 even per month? Think about that for a moment, okay? Or now you can think about coming in at level 2, all right, for 120, okay, one-time fee, and then you can earn multiple $100 payments every single day. Same thing, the same principle, the same concept. You build yourself up to where you're earning now at least $100 per day, okay? And you do the math. That's $3,000 per month, okay? So the potential with this program is absolutely incredible. And of course, level 3, level 4, level 5, you can make some really, really serious money. And you can always level up when you're ready, okay? Now, P2P Profit, okay, has the system and the training to help you to get there. Where's there? It's wherever you want to go. All right. You determine. See, one thing about it, we have to determine our own success. We've got to be committed to our own success. Okay. Now, if you do come in at level 2 or above, then you're going to get my prosperity mindset report. Okay. I've been big on, personal development for many, many years. Ever since I was helped in my life from low self-esteem and a poor self-image, then I've been big in this area. Okay. And so this report, my prosperity mindset report, contains life-changing information and additional advertising and marketing resources. Now, this is in addition to the amazing information that you're going to receive with the P2 Profit program. Okay. Okay. Now, in closing, and there is absolutely no way that I can leave you without giving you some power thoughts. Okay. In closing. And here's two that, man, I think these are absolutely incredible things to think about, okay? And Kenneth Goldsmith says that if you work on something a little bit every day, you end up with something massive. Man, isn't that powerful? If you work on something a little bit every day, you end up with something massive. The problem with many people is that they don't do much at all when it comes to their own success, their own businesses. They stop because things don't work, in the beginning, and blah, 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 all of that. And here's a quote from one of my mentors, the late great Jim Rohn. And Jim says that success is nothing more, get this, than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. I've got to say that at least one more time. By the late great Jim Rohn. I had the pleasure of meeting Jim some years ago before he passed away. Sitting under, and listening to him. Tremendous, tremendous trainer. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every single day. My goodness. Well, I'm going to leave the link to my website where you can go there, get more information, get signed up, and get started. Don't put off. This is a powerful program, I'm telling you. And all you've got to do is jump in and get started. And let's start making some money. Let's find out how to make money, and let's start making money. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off, wishing you a blessed and wonderful and powerful day today. Bye-bye now.